What happened today? Most people were not there. React class is what time to what time? 7:30 to 9 only, na? Oh, 10 minutes they were on a break. Alright. I thought it like 9 it will be over, so that's why 9:15 they will come. Don't worry, next 3-4 days we will have it like something total late, 9:20-25, so that they will come for sure. Okay. Anyway, choda topics are only there. Now, so good morning everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Nice. So you all are there from starting onwards, na? First class, I told you what website you wanna build. I asked you like you have to build one website on your own. You have to think your own UI design. You have to start. Does any one of you started? Tell me what were the websites you guys think and started now. Everyone I will ask today. Last one. What's your name, mom? What's your name? Saujanya. You started any website, ma? Portfolio. Portfolio हो गया? Not completed. You put it in live? Is it in your local host? Okay. Sorry? You struck in media queries. Means you have any doubts in media queries? But you stopped your website with media queries. Then you can ask me na. I would have clarified long back. We had a doubt clearing sessions, ma, so many. Okay. Bring me your doubt after the class. I will let you know. Next. Huh? Your college? You did your college website. Tell me. Online also, I wanted to see the progress of each one now. And I will repeat it the concept which we discussed yesterday. And we will move forward with the remaining things. Mostly I will complete it today itself, the remaining things. So that tomorrow onwards we will do practice our project and all. Mostly by Wednesday we will complete it, Wednesday or Thursday. In the meanwhile, next one, Lohita, website. You did portfolio below, site name. 90% done, 10% how many days it will take? No, I'm just asking normally how many days. So Kal bring it tomorrow. 2 hours are there now for you. Okay, next. Portfolio only you did. Bolo site name. Media, media. No, chode the media queries. Bring me remaining site. You put it in live? No. I will tell you one more time media queries. Okay. Now next. Same media queries. If this many people have doubt, you should have asked na long back. Next one, sir. Site. Put it in Netlify, ma. Okay, so that I can watch it. Site name. సెండ్ చేసావా? తమ చూసాను నేను. ఓకే దెన్ నెక్స్ట్. నాట్ కంప్లీటెడ్. వై మా? Started? Then when you will end? Okay. Next. Oh, we did it right? We have checked it? No. My portfolio. Okay. Online. Online, I got it. One link also, sir. My portfolio. Hyphen 8, 8 or 82. Looking good. Only problem is image is loading slowly. Make it the images load faster. Design wise, it's looking good to me. Design wise, it's really looking good to me. But I want this image to look faster. Okay. And instead of this, put any another nice kind of image. Okay. Because this image is not having any meaning. Okay. I want you to put it one meaning to here. Now, are they working? Service? Think about user experience, sir. Online also see the problems. This one looking so good in UI, looking so good. But see this, the gap. People don't like this much gap. Make it this divs bigger so that the gap will be smaller. Or make it 3 divs side by side. Your wish. Okay. This is one thing. Second thing, you did your skills, something like here services like this. But if I click here services, I go down. What if I wanted to check any another thing? Again, what I have to do? Go up now. This is user experience not good. Okay. And horizontally scrolling, people don't like it. And why it is lorem text? Is it any template? You did not take it any template now? No. Check it that. This one is looking good. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Add more skills. Contact is looking good. This is like the similar portfolio which I did. Okay. But in a nice design, hire me. Not working. Contacts, going contacts. No. Download. It's not downloading anything. Hire me. Is it? Are they at least working? No. Then make them work, sir. Make them work. Next. Cartoonfish.netlify.app online someone did. This one is done by something Bootstrap, if I'm not wrong. And they did the header one. Header can be thoda smaller. If you make it header thoda smaller, it is looking good. Home about. Gap between home about. See, you are a full stack developer, sir. By now you should have an idea on how to, how to make it look nice. See the problems here? Home, about, fish, they should be left side. So they should have some gap more. Fishes, you are having so many fishes. It is looking like my Bootstrap website, which I did. You remembered, ma? Now. And also, this lorem ipsum one, you should change it. Top and bottom, thoda padding chahiye. About and where company should be in the middle. And fishes category. This is same thing which I did. I think I also did fishes only. But it is done with cartoon fishes. This one I did it with normal one. At least good try. Need to be better. And none of the website have favicon. Why? Why top favicon is not there? Next one. You came now? Huh. Bolo, what was the website you built in this course till now? Give me your link portfolio. Your college website link is there now? बोलो. विज्ञान विज्ञान portal .net file. VIGNAN Vignan and PORTL portal. VIGNAN PORTAL .netlify .app. Not coming. Not coming. Why it's not coming? Something spelling wrong then. Check. Is it correct? PRO portal. Okay, good spelling. Very good. This one you tried with Bootstrap. Make this logo thoda smaller. Instead of I use it here one banner for the Machli one, and you used it something Happy New Year to 2025. This one is looking good. Now home academics. If I go here, academics, programs, departments, people. Thoda make it this logo smaller, it would look more better. And people, it is scrolling, nice. Branches, it is showing different branches, nice. Postgraduate, yes. Graduate, yes. Accreditations, good, good. Events, nice. Now you know CSS now. Make them more looking good. This is too basics. This is too basic. I want you to make it more good. Okay. I want you to put thoda paddings, nice colors, nice backgrounds. Make it a unique look. Okay. This is just a bootstrap one. You didn't use any CSS culling, but I want you to make it more CSS color. This look. Is it Vignan website looking like this only? Vignan. See? Maybe that is the old one which you tried. Okay. They changed with the brand color of coffee, something brown. So you can try it. But see, this hovering effects and all you didn't put. But you know how to put now? Okay. Try this thing, sir. And the footer also. Make this footer. Okay. Good. Next, online someone told op and system off and on system SAI. Dark light mode. Yeah, this can be asked, but I want you big site. Here you put input output systems. These things will work, but I want you to be something better. This will give total letters. Nice. Sai portfolio. Let's go here. Online is voice is clear, ma. Online is voice is clear. Online, his voice is clear, sir. I hope its internet is soda issue. Huh. Shiv Shankar Sai, it's looking good, but देखो, see this once. If this is your heading, it should not be same size as this. It won't look good. Second thing, take this left side. Left side should be at the same place. Whole line should be at the same place. But can you see? I is starting before and these are differing in different places. All should be having a good left margin. And two buttons. They should be something nearer. Not this much far. See this. Not good. About me. Picture is someone's. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Card title. You just put a bootstrap one, but you did not even updated it. See, this is what the freshers problem. You people are taking it the websites very light. Projects you are see, most of the freshers are lazy. They just build it half and they feel it like okay, it's over, ho gaya. No, this website shows you what you are. This portfolio builds what you are, right? So you should make it more better now. Okay. Now let's see. Let's start our main thing, sir. Online also, please start it, sir. Start to build it more better. Now let's go and build it the more things into the JavaScript. Now let's finish the whole JavaScript today. First, let's start today with yesterday what we have discussed. Sir, yesterday we have discussed in full stack 9. Focus here. Yesterday we have discussed in the class regarding ES6 module system. ES6 module system. What is ES6 module system? If you go to here, JavaScript, imagine you have two files. Imagine you have two JavaScript files. How two JavaScript files will go one and the other? How one JavaScript file data will go to another JavaScript file? For that, we did something called ES6 here. If you see in ES6, HTML file is attached to script 2. HTML file is attached to script 2. Now, I also write it here type equals to module. HTML file is attached to script 2, sir, and type is equals to module, sir. Now, if you see here, script 2 I attached. In script 2, I call something fun. I call something ARR1. I call something age. But where did I write fun? Where did I write age? Where did I write this ARR1? In another JavaScript file. I wrote it everything in one JavaScript file, but I print them in another JavaScript file. How do they go? In one JavaScript file, you will write it something called export. In another JavaScript file, you will write it something called import. So one file will be exported and another where you will be imported. This is called ES6 module system. What is it called, ma? What is it called, ma? ES6 module system. Very good. Next one. After ES6 module system, we discussed libraries. And I showed you how the libraries works. Every library, you will go to something like CDN link, you will attach it and you can use it. We explored a library like jQuery and I told you to explore other libraries. Did any one of you saw any library and tried, sir? Yesterday, did any one of you expose to any library? Did any one of you check any new library? I told you to check the libraries, right? Did any one of you check the libraries, ma? Good. Just go to different libraries, type it in Google, and you will get so many libraries. Try to use the libraries. When you use libraries now, your work will be so much faster and easy. Okay. Now, online, any doubts? For memory game, we can use vanilla JS. Yes, that is what I used. Whatever the JavaScript we used, that is vanilla JavaScript only. Till now, you learned JavaScript na? That document.getElement by ID, ये पूरा vanilla JavaScript. Vanilla बोले JavaScript बोले तो standard JavaScript. Okay, now online, any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts till now? Online कोई doubts है माँ? No. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. JavaScript notes. BOM. Browser object model. Browser object model. Oh. See, the whole browser, function functions, the whole browser's functions or data is driven by an object. The whole browser functions or data is driven by an object. An object called an object called 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 window. Yesterday we have seen window will be there. Window. Now focus here, window. So yesterday I showed you this one. Everything you do it in your browser is done with one object, and that object name is window, sir. If you print this window everything will come. Okay. Now, sir, we did fetch, like we did fetch, we did alert, we did confirm, we did prompt, we did it console, we did it document, we did it set timeout, set interval. All these things are actually inside window. Okay. Imagine you created one function fun. For example, function x console.log hi. Will this function run directly? If you do like this, will this function run Guys, if you do like this, will this function will run? No. How do you make it run? Call the function. Now, how do you call it normally? You will write it here x, right or not? Right or not? But actually, you know what is happening inside? In JavaScript, if you call the function directly, it will think like this. It will be like this guy is calling inside the browser X. That window is nothing but browser. What is it? Browser. Now, using window, we can perform, we can perform multiple activities such as, such as user location, user, user camera, or or copy paste. Like this, you can do so many things, sir. This all will be done by this particular, you know, this particular one only, window. Imagine you have a big house. In house, each and every room will have their own purpose. Na? We have bedroom for a purpose, sleep. We have kitchen. We have for cooking. We have bathroom for another purpose. We have hall for another purpose. Each one have their own purpose. Na? Similarly, in browser, there are so many things like locations, medias, or navigators. So each one have some purposes. Okay. Now let's explore the window. Explore the window. Let's try it, sir. First, user location. I wanted to find some location. Now you go to some websites, ma. You go to some websites, and whenever you go to the website, when you open the website, they will tell it like this website is not available in your location, right? Now how do they know that? They will use some some kind of native location, and they will ask you, do you want to allow location? If you click allow, it will stop the location. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear, everyone? Yes sir, no, कुछ भी बोलो रे, क्या हुआ? Why you guys are so silent every day? Initial 10 days are like so active. Later you're like, bolo. कुछ भी थोड़ा, less 2 3 days are there. Okay, after that you will not see my face. Don't worry. Oh, we have backend na? You are full stack people. Aha, backend if you are silent, nahi hota re. Anyway, let's find it user location ma. Go. Let me create a website. BOM index.html script.js index.html script.js. Next, in this index.html, exclamation, enter, script, src dot slash script.js, script.js. Now go here, go live. Hmm? Doubt one. Go here, console. Now, go here. I want to take user's location, sir. User's location. Now, first we'll go window. Sir, do I need to write window every time? Actually, you don't need to write window. Normally, I told you now how you will call a function x, directly x. But how the system will understand window dot x. So if you write it without window also, it will always understand as window only. But because we are teaching what is this window, we are writing it. Okay, but if you skip it also, it will work same. Window dot. Inside the window, there is one function called, there is one object called navigator. What is the object name? Navigator. If you go to navigator, there is one object called geolocation. What is the object name? Geolocation. If I go to this one, geolocation is a function actually. If I go to this geolocation, oh, geolocation is not a function. Then geolocation dot get current position is a function. So now I'm getting current position. In current position, I'm writing one callback function, sir. Now go here, comma. I will write it here. I'm just giving you one syntax, sir. See, everything possible. Now, what is this one will do? Sir, if you write window.navigator.geolocation.current position, your website will ask you, what do you want? Like, do you want it to allow the location or not? Do you want to allow the location or not? You should say allow, do not allow, deny something. If you allow, if it is a successful, it will go to first one. It will go to first one. Imagine if it is failed. Imagine it is failed. It will go to second one. It will go to second one. Now, can you see it here? It is asking me location. Can you see it, sir? It is asking me location. Now, if it is a success, which one it will go? First one. If it is a failed, second one. In first one, I will take it here. Whatever the coordinates are there, I will take it. Coordinates. And I will write it here. Console.log. Console.log. Coordinates. Coordinates. Dot coords. Dot latitude. Latitude. Like in if and else. Now go here, comma, coord dot coordinates dot longitude. Now you go here, sir. If I go here, click here. If I go and if I allow the location, if I allow the location, now refresh the page. Sir, can you see it here? What is this 17.44171? What is this? Latitude. Second one is longitude. In internet, there are so many APIs which will give you exact location also. If I give location by lat and lang, by latitude and longitude, to the people who don't know, there are latitude and longitude will give you exact logic. Now, latitude and longitude, I will give here. Latitude. Longitude. Oh, it is giving latitude and longitude. That is wrong. I wanted to give latitude and longitude. I wanted the location name. Latitude, longitude, address to latitude, longitude to address. Now go here. Now go here. Longitude, latitude. Mayur mark. So this is not giving exact one. It is giving something similar. No, wrong it is. This one is not what it is, actually. Why this much wrong? No, it won't give actually. Always latitude longitude will be around some kind of 180 to 90 meters. But I don't think this much difference will be there. Google, no. Lat and long, lat long to address. Hello, the site. Now go here, go here, go here. Okay, it's coming in there only, sir. So, but this is how basic GPI works. Okay, it's not the exact one. I think it's not giving it the exact one. It will give on and around. Okay, using you can even go here some kind of API. If you go here, if you just check it, some websites API, you can take their website and automatically you will get it in your in your website only. You can use that API link. So one more time, I'm telling you syntax. Take it here. Inside the window, some navigator is there. Inside that navigator, some geolocation is there. Inside the geolocation, you will have something called get current position. If you go to current position, you need to give two callbacks. One is like success callback. One is like reject callback. If it is success callback, what you wanna do? I wanted to print the coordinates of latitude and longitude. If it is a failed one, what you wanna do? I will print the console. Console.log. Any doubts, man? Online, any doubts here? Just note it down. Note it down how to get it to the location, everyone. Online, any doubts? Online, any doubts in this? How to get the location? We will discuss most important ones. We are not going to discuss the whole things. Next. Next. Next one. Sir, can I able to do video recording, audio recording in my browser. So who will do video and audio recording? Browser only will do na. So anything which browser do, done by which object? I just now told na, anything done by browser, who will do that? Which object will do, sir? Window. Which object? Window. Okay. Now, sir, focus here. Video, audio recording. Video and audio. I will try to put some simple video button here. Video, ID name VD. Idea name VD, which is like autoplay, not autoplay, controls. Let's go here. I will put controls. Then only video will play. Doubt ma? No. I will put here one button, sir. Button, start video. Button का ID BTN. Button का ID BTN. Can you see it, sir? Now one button is there. Something video is there. Did I put anything inside that video? Did I put anything inside video? No. I will put here one big container here. Style equals to height 300 pixel, width 300 pixel. Now if someone click on this button, how do you make it someone click on the button? Go here, document dot get element by ID, and ID name is button BTN. And if someone click it, add event listener. If someone click it, then it will do one function. If someone clicks it, it will do one function, sir. Okay, now let's do one function, sir. If someone clicks it. Any doubts, ma'am? No? There is a BTN, and if you click on it, it will do one function. What it will do? It should take the video of me. How it will take the video? Inside the window, there is something called navigator. See, there are so many things inside window can do. Window can do nice animations. Window can take, so many things. I am just giving you basic things which are mostly useful ones. Dot. See, you can see it. It will do sharing things. If you use this can share, na, you can use it directly share, I think. If you use this share, something like share data, you can put it here. I'm not giving video audio, I'm just showing you share kind of thing. You can do it like, then what to do? Then you can say it like, yes, console.log, video shared or hi shared, something kind of one. You can try it here. Why share is not coming? The provided value is not of a type share data. So yeah. Why it's actually something share, direct online share will be there. Is it can share? I will show you anyway. Now for videos, you can use something. See, you can use it in the navigator. Na, so many are there. You can share the files. You can say it like, do not track me. You can say it like, if any credentials are there, you can put it. You can start your cookies enabled. If you make this cookies enabled, cookie will be started in your browser. Allow cookies, reject cookies, those things will be there. Or clipboard bole to copy paste logic. Okay. Now languages, what languages it will support? Just now we have seen geolocation. Okay. Now any kind of logs or media queries, media devices. This media, not media queries. Media devices are something for video and audio. Go to media devices. Dot get display media, get supported media, get user media. I wanted user media. Get user media. Constraints. Like what do you want it in a constraint? I will give a constraint like this. Constraints are constraints are constraints are video true, audio true. I wanted video and audio both. It is a basic syntax, ma'am. Dot if it is working, if this is working, what to do? If this is working, what to do? So then response console.log, not console.log. Whatever the response you got it, sir. If video is working now, whatever video you will get it, I want this video to be inside my, here, inside my video button. So inside my video thing. So document dot get element by ID. ID name is VD, and inside VD, I want this SRC object. Inside the VD, I want this particular response. In case if I get it error, ma, in case if I get it error, catch error, you will get it here console.log error. Any doubt, sir? No. Sir, you go here, you go to the website, refresh. Now go here, click camera. See, whatever I can do, I can even record it, I can even stop it, I can even download it. Are you getting my online? If I go here, if I put it here, something like autoplay, that it will do autoplay also. You can just try to explore more. Usually in webcam kind of thing, you will do this. In interviews or something kind of one. You will have some functions like streaming also here. Instead of get user media, you can use stream media, something kind of one. Stream bole to live kind of thing you can try. Online, any doubts, sir? Online, any doubts? Just to see this codes, ma. I'm just giving you block of codes so that it will help you to build these things. You can write it how to put it video and audio, you can write it. So that these things will help you when you are building the sites. Anyway, I will give you this particular notes, but still note it down if you wanted video and audio. If you write it once now, your mind will remember them. ये functions है इसके अंदर. These things are not the part of only JavaScript. These things will help you to make your application something better. Is this clear, ma, online? Now, let's go here. Share post. I have something like post and I wanted to share it. Window dot. I am telling it you don't need to write it window, but these things will help you to make it better. Window के अंदर navigate के अंदर share. विंडो के अंदर navigate के अंदर share. Title. Title. Share the post and text. What exactly you wanna post? Hello world. Hello world. Imagine if I'm posting this. Here you will get it two things. It's a promise. So you will write it either dot then. If it is successful, then immediately you will write it console.log shared successfully. Shared successfully. Else dot catch, which is console.log console.log error. Now I wanted to run this after certain button clicked. Function. Same code for camera but showing error. What error? Tell me. Function share post. Tell me what errors are online. If I do it like function get video audio. You can write it get video audio here, but I'm writing here share post. Uncaught reference error not defined. देखो, some mistake is there in my program. Braces mistake. Two more braces will come. Mistake, some chota mistake is there. People, I think you didn't check the mistake, ma. Please check it on. You need to put inside the catch in one brace. Within that only you should do. Check it on. Next, how does this share post? Just now only I wrote it na share post. Where does this share post went? Just a minute. Function share post. Now go here. Now take this also. Open. close, arrow, and this whole thing. Let's keep it here as a new function. Function, get video audio. Now go here. Now take this, sir. Everyone, if I click the button now, I can make it this audio video come. If I click the button now, I can make this audio video come. But instead of coming it audio video, I will write it here share but share post. That means if I click the button, post should share. Now if I go here, if I run this particular HTML this time, now if I click this button, can you see I'm getting all sharings? Is it clear, ma? If it is a mobile now, whatever the apps you do, those things will come for sharing. Online, is it clear, sir? Online, is it clear? Yes. Next. Next one, sir. What about copy paste? Copy paste. Now imagine if I wanna copy paste it. Let's write it here function. Copy. Copy text. Function. Paste text. विंडो के अंदर नेविगेटर के अंदर कॉपी अंदर नेविगेटर के अंदर क्लिपबोर्ड के अंदर write text. Write text. What text you wanna write? Hello world. I wanna copy hello world. After copying the hello world, dot then. Why dot thens and all? Mostly these things will return the promises. If it is successful. If it is successful. Russ. No need of Russ. Console.log. Text is copied. Copied. Catch. Text. Error. Now, sir, I will make this copy text and I will call this using the button now. If I click the button now, it will be copied. You go here. Text is copied, sir. Now if I go here, if I press Control V, can you see what happened? Are you getting my point, ma? If I press Control V, I got it here. Hello world. Why? That hello world is copied there. You go to W3 schools or some websites, even ChatGPT, they will have one copy button. When they click on it, automatically your program will be copied so that you can paste anywhere you want. This is how it works, sir. These things are a very advanced ones. Most people will not tell you. So I'm just showing you how it works. If you wanted to make it paste also somewhere, for example, some websites will be there. If you click a button, you can paste there. Same like write text, you have something called read text, which you can use it for pasting. Any doubts online? Captcha is API. Different captchas comes API. Online, any doubts, sir? No. Next, sir. You know, you can even do something like paste text also, you can write it, same logic. Okay. You can even do, this is the most interesting point, and this one will come in interviews also. Whatever we discussed in these things, it will not come in interview, but this question will come in interview, which is like storage. Storage. Browsers can store some data. Browsers can store some data. Browsers can literally store the data, sir. When browsers are storing the data, sir, how browser stores, let me show it to you. Go to Flipkart. Let me open it here. Flipkart. Now you go here. Did I log in here? Did I logged in here? No. Now if I open any product, not available. Why no product is not available? Why re? Why add to cart is not coming? Now they go. Now this is add to cart na? Add to cart na? Now they go. Did I logged in? Did I log in? No. If I click add to cart, will it add it to the cart or no? Will it add it to the cart or no? It is added. You see here, how many items I added to the cart, sir? How many items I added to the cart? One. Can you see this here? One. Can you see in the cart page it is there? Now, sir, imagine if Prasad logged in into a website. Then it will store in the websites Prasad logged in. So Prasad's inside the Prasad's memory or Prasad's database, store it as he added these items to cart. Easy. But without logging in, how it is taking the data, sir? Where it is storing this data? Where it is storing this data that I added one value? Where it is storing? Use your mind, Ray. Say some response, ma. It will store it in the browser. Where it will store? Browser. Browsers can store some data, sir. Now, there are multiple ways to store it in browser. Browsers can store data. Browsers can store data. Data. Browsers can store data as local storage, session storage, or cache. Browsers can store data as local storage, session storage, or cache. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma? No. Good. Now, it stores this data, which is a local session or cache. How it will store it? Let me store some value. I have one array. Let ARR equals to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I want to store it in my local storage. How do you store it in local storage, sir? Write it here, window. If you don't write window also, it will work. Window dot local storage dot. Can you see the methods here? Clear. If you do, it will clear all the local storage. Get item. It will get whatever the item already stored. It will get. So when you click add to cart, it is adding. When you're going to cart page now, it is getting it. Okay. Get item or key. You can see it key value. You can see length, total how many values are there. You can remove one item. You can set an item. Now I want to set one item. Set item. What is the name I want to put? What is the name I want to put? My data or my ARR, comma ARR. तो वो क्या बोल रहा है सर? ये पूरा ARR वैल्यू में क्या है? पूरा ARR वैल्यू में क्या है? ये पूरा ARR वैल्यू हम लोकल स्टोरेज पर सेव कर रहे हैं. What is the name I'm saving it? My ARR. My ARR. Now you go here. Now if you run this program, sir, inspect, sir, console, sir, local storage. Inside the local storage, can you see something? My ARR is there. 54321. Doubt? No. But is it array, sir? Is it array? 54321. Is it array, sir? It is like a string. It is like a string. So always your local storage will store string only. Now you don't want string. So what you will do? First thing, you will convert your array to string, and then you will give it to my local storage, and whenever local storage give it to you, you will convert them back. Okay. Now how do you do that? If I write it here, console.log, देखो here, json dot stringify. Stringify will convert the array into string. Now you check it here. This is coming as normal, na? But it is not an array. It is a string. It is a string. Now if I store it like this, na, why you do this? So that once you stringify it like this, it will not change any data. Now it will not change. Earlier I gave array, but it is changing the data. Now if you print it, na, local storage. Now if you print it local storage, it will not do anything. Local storage. Can you see my ARR now? Protected as a string. Can you see this, sir? Now, sir, how do you change it into normal array? You can write it here, console.log. This time I will write it here, window dot local storage dot get item. What is the item name? My ARR. So I will get it the item name. I will get the item, but it is a string. How do you convert string into array? Array into string is stringify. Is stringify. String into array is JSON dot parse. Parse. If you do parse what it will do? It will convert JSON string into normal object or normal array. Same way, earlier stringify will convert normal array or object into string. Now that exact reverse is parse. Now you go here. Array came. Whenever you are storing in local storage, you will store it as a string so that it won't be deleted. Any doubts? If I do local storage dot clear, it will delete all. Here. Same thing session storage also. Session storage dot set item, session storage dot get item. But difference is difference between session storage and local storage is difference between session storage and local storage is session storage will be deleted once you close the browser. Once you close the browser. But but local storage don't. Local storage don't. Local storage don't be deleted. Session storage will be deleted. If I close my browser and reopen also, whatever my ARR which I saved, it will be there only. Okay, that is what local storage. But if I don't want it, like for example, someone logged in, you take it IRCTC. When you log in, you will do work. After that, when you again reopen the app, it will again ask you login because it is storing it as a session. Storing it as a session. But if you take it something Amazon, you log in once, close the browser, close the app or browser. Next time you open Amazon, login will be there only. It won't ask you login again. Which a local storage. What is it called? Local storage. But both work same, remaining all. Methods and all are the same. Set item, get item and all. You can also, browsers can also store something called cache memory. Cache is used for temporary memory. Cache memory bole to, imagine you open some kind of YouTube. Okay, you played one YouTube video. Okay, you played one YouTube video, and suddenly internet chal gaya. You know that you can watch whatever the YouTube video which you played again, even internet is not there. How much you have watched, that thing it will repeat. Imagine you are watching some Insta reels. One reel is there. That reel completely loaded. You watched it. Your net chal gaya. Now that reel you can play it again. That reel will play it again and again, even the internet is low. You open something like Insta feed. Whole feed will be loaded. If the internet now is not there, but still the same feed will be there. You can see that feed. If you wanted a new feed, if you refresh, if you wanted a new feed, then it will be difficult. So whatever coming from server, it will store it in one temporary memory that is called cache memory. What is it called? Cache memory. Now this all things window can do, sir. Window can do so many things. Understanding what window can do and how it works is called DOM, Document Object Model. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Any doubts? Online or offline? Any doubts? No. No. If possible, by tomorrow, try to see what is mean by OOP. Tomorrow we will discuss only OOP and I will clarify if you have any other doubts also, and we'll start the project. Okay? Clear, ma? Your last working day will be mostly Thursday. Okay? Okay? Is it clear online? Yeah. That's it for today, ma. Thank you all. Have a nice day. How is your React class first? Good only. Are you guys getting it? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Thank you, ma.